Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get started on this cute ass prom look that I did the other day. I'm gonna get started with my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eye with my beauty blender. I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette, my favorite palette out right now, and I'm gonna be going in with that deep purple shade called The Escape, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with this magenta shade called Love That, and I'm gonna pack that on top of the Escape shade, and then I'm gonna slowly start blending it out. Now I'm going in You're Kidding, and I'm gonna put that on top of the magenta shade, but I'm not gonna pack it on this time. I'm just gonna start blending it out. After we put those shades on, we're gonna do our cut crease, and we're gonna fill that in, and we're gonna make our little half circle so we're able to put that blue shade that we're gonna do and the glitter on top of it.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna go in with Playground, and we're gonna pack that all over where we put our cut crease canvas on there.
Perfect.
After we pack that color on, we're gonna go in with the shade Spooky, and I'm gonna use a little skinny brush just to put that right above the cut crease so we can darken up the crease a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with this Kiss Aloe Vera Lash Glue. I have a Too Faced glitter glue, but I just felt like it wasn't strong enough, so I just started using lash glues, and I felt like it turned out better. The glitters that I'm using, I got them off Wish for it came in like a pack of 50, I think, for like $10. So I tried to link it before, but I couldn't find the link. So I'll find another alternative, and I'm just gonna mix the chromatic silver one with the blue that I had, because I noticed that when I put the silver in there, it turns out, popping. So now I'm gonna go with my Mayo Makeup Pigments, and I'm gonna put that gold shade right on my brow bone.
Perfect.
So I did my face off camera just to save some time. I'm gonna go with my Michelle's Minks, and I stacked the Amora and the Goddess lashes together just to give it a fuller look.
Perfect.
So now I'm gonna go back in with Escape, and I'm gonna put that color on my bottom lash line, and I'm basically gonna use the magenta, the purple, and the black, but not the red. And I'm just gonna put that all on my bottom lash line. So now I'm gonna go in with Sephora's blush in I'm Quite Tipsy, and I'm gonna put that right on top of my contour and a little bit on my cheeks. I also put on my nose. I don't know. I just saw someone do that on Instagram and I tried it, and ever since I tried it, I felt like I looked more alive, so I started doing that trick. I slapped on some Broadway bottom individual lashes, and I only put 3 on each eye. Honestly, I only did it for this look because after I eventually ended up ripping them off because they were so irritating. I'm going in with my L.A Girl lip liners and blushing and chocolate, you know, the usual. Now I'm going to use my Benefit Wax Up highlighter, and I'm going to put that only on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose because those are the areas I know my highlight is most likely prone to come off. So since it's a cream contour stick, highlighter stick, I put my highlighter powder on top of it just to set it. So I went in with my MAC Gold Shade and Amber Lights, and I put that on top. For the last step, I'm going to go in with my Mayo Makeup Pigments, and I'm going to put that gold shade in the inner corner of my eyes, you know, to make it pop just a smidge. You know, we had to do it on them. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I'm going to probably do another glitter one because I have so many of them. So please like and subscribe, and, you know, hit the bell for the notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.